Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Akmal Tarfarar Ais and I'm from class EF0506 and my name is 108072500142 and I'm gonna explain why I choose informatics because I wanted to learn more about computers and gain new experience. I really enjoy solving logic problems using programming language like Python or Go. There's a tremendous sense of satisfaction when we successfully find a bug and make the system run smoothly. Here, I learned that thoroughness and systematic thinking are key. Going forward, my focus is on becoming a full stack web developer. I want to be able to handle everything from the behind the scenes engine to the beautiful interface that